Yo, bienvenue dans ce nouveau let's play. Encore un retour sur YouTube, on n'arrêtera plus les retours. Bref, je viens, je repars, je suis toujours là mais je suis jamais là. Donc là on est sur The Walking Dead, c'est un jeu un peu cinématique, plutôt à choix. Bon, des fois faut contrôler le perso et tout, mais c'est quand même un jeu à choix. On fera un épisode à chaque fois, je pense. Je pense qu'un épisode c'est pas trop long dans mes souvenirs, parce que j'ai fait l'épisode 1. Parce que l'épisode 1 était gratuit sur Xbox je crois. Donc j'avais déjà fait l'épisode 1 mais j'ai des vagues souvenirs. Et je crois qu'un épisode ça environ 1 heure. Donc je partirai bien là-dessus. Let's go. Par contre je suis obligé de jouer à la souris. J'ai jamais joué à la souris à ce jeu. Donc j'espère que je vais pas trop faire de la merde. C'est édité par Telltale bien évidemment. Supra connu. D'ailleurs si je dis pas de conneries. Excusez-moi. Si je dis pas de conneries, Telltale a fermé ses portes. Telltale aujourd'hui n'existe plus. Bon, c'est un vieux jeu, ça a pris un petit coup de vieux, mais ça régale toujours. Voiture de flic. Ah ouais, faut jouer avec... Ah non, je peux jouer avec ça aussi. C'est pas toi. Il m'a dit, je sais que c'est pas vous.
You know what they say about reckoning?
I don't, but I reckon it's a lot like assuming.
Yeah, something like that.
You know, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the I didn't do it.
Le silence est une option valide. Donc si je veux le silence, je fais ça. C'est ça? Ouais.
But you don't talk too much, do you?
J'ai remonté un peu la cam aussi, on sait jamais. Sur le rétroviseur, je peux regarder.
I followed your case a little bit, you being a Macon boy and all.
You're from Macon, then?
Yep, came up to Atlanta to be a city cop in the 70s. I always wanted to work a murder case. Like that senatorial mess you got yourself mixed up in.
Peut pas prendre son
With
fusil à
all
pompe.
due respect. A real shame, that is. Hell, the whole family used to be regulars at your folks' drugstore right in downtown. Still there?
Sure is.
Good.
Le drugstore dans la famille.
I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
Ah, on est
You meet your
professeur.
wife in Athens?
Il a pas kiffé la...
You want to know
la
how I
femme.
see it?
J'ai le choix.
I got much choice?
Sure don't.
Le fusil à pompe.
Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman.
Pas de réponse. J'aurais pu lui dire va te faire foutre. Mais je vais rien dire. Émeute en cours. Ouais, carrément. Ça rigole pas.
I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older fella, big soft eyes behind a pair of smart folk glasses. And he just wailing back there. Says it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all over right where you're sitting.
Il coupe la radio,
Then
Namar.
before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. And I tell him he's got to stop. That's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops.
Peut-être c'était pas lui,
Having
hein.
exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama, it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
Ah non mais je suis con, je veux le fusil à pompe, mais il y a un plexi. Il était peut-être innocent. Alors c'était lui,
So did he do it?
They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through
Ah
the
ouais.
door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself.
Ça c'est pas cool.
It goes to show, people will up and go mad when they believe their life is over.
C'est
Well,
vrai.
I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more
mec.
hilarious if I do
Un
say
mec.
so.
Attention. dans The Walking Dead. Hein. Donc c'est des zombies. Hein. À mon avis, le policier est en train de mourir. Il hurlait et tout, c'est dégueulasse hein, quand même.
Oh, shit. Thirsty. Ah, fuck, my leg.
Aïe. Ok. Encore bloqué de la voiture. Oh.
Hey, hey, officer, are you all right? I'm still cuffed back here. Officer? Oh, that
Ok, il va
doesn't
pas
look
bien.
good.
Non.
He wasn't ejected from the car.
C'est un peu décalé. On va sortir de la voiture, hein. Nickel. Ah oui, ça oui. Aïe aïe aïe. Putain, on a fait un sacré vol plané, hein. Bon, mais l'autre il va se tuer. Petite ellipse, je vais corriger les touches. Je reviens, on peut pas corriger les touches, donc on va faire comme ça. Je vais me tromper plusieurs fois, on va peut-être mourir à cause de ça. Mais c'est des choses qui arrivent. On va plus pouvoir s'aider de la voiture. Hein. On va aller vers le flic là.
Officer?
Eh bien, on va prendre les clés.
Shit.
Elle est morte. Il a d'être ça, il a d'être ça. Il a d'être ça, ce con.
Officer?
Il a pas du tout fait ça, il a pas du tout fait ça.
Holy shit!
Recule, 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 recule.
What in the hell?
Oh merde.
Get away from me!
Cartouche. C'est quoi de ça? Un fusil à pompe, on l'avait dit.
Where are you? Shit.
Mais quel con, mais quel con. Prends la cartouche, prends la cartouche. Prends la cartouche. Tire dans le crâne.
Don't make me do this!
Pas de pitié, pas de pitié. Pas de pitié, on lui fringue le crâne. C'est lui ou nous. Ah, c'est dégueulasse quand même.
Man.
Oh!
Help! Go get someone! There's been a shooting!
Quoi le bail? Ah oui!
Ah!
Mon gars, va falloir run, hein. Mais quel con. La situation me fait éternuer. Le mec a un accélère, accélère. Ça shoot. Je suis attiré par le bruit. Du coup, les broyeurs. Bah, du coup, les émeutes et tout, ça, à mon avis, c'est à cause de ça. Hein. Oui, bonjour.
Hello? Anybody?
Oui, bonjour, il dit bonjour. Ah oui, c'est vraiment un petit.
No ladder.
Pas d'échelle.
I'm not getting up there anyway. This leg the way it is.
Ah. Service à thé, vas-y, on va voir.
I'd fill one of those teacups with some bourbon if I could.
Ok, ok. Je suppose qu'il faut rentrer dans la maison. Ok.
Hello? Anybody home?
Ah, tchè. Voilà, on va le
Need a
péter le
little
plexi.
help.
Ouais, parce que ma molette galère un peu aussi, alors ça va être dur.
Coming in. Don't shoot, okay?
Bah rentre mon frérot, rentre. Hein. Fais comme chez toi.
Ah! Hello? I'm not an intruder. Or one of them.
Ouais, ouais, c'est moi qu'on... Oh là.
These people might need more help than I do.
Ah ouais, ils sont morts. Un livre de coloriage. Après on a vu une gosse, hein. C'était une gosse hein, qu'on a vu. Toujours en galère avec les touches. 3 nouveaux messages.
Message 1, left at 5:43 p.m.
Hey, Sandra. This is Diana. We're still in Savannah. Ed had a little incident with some crazy guy near the hotel, so we had to get him back to the ER and have it checked out. Anyway, he's not feeling well enough to drive back tonight, so we're staying an extra day. Thanks so much for looking after Clementine, and I promise we'll be back in time before your spring break.
C'était un truc pour la babysitter.
Message 2, left at 11:19
Clementine.
p.m.
Oh my god, finally. I don't know if you tried to reach us. All the calls are getting dropped. They're not letting us leave and aren't telling us anything about Atlanta. Please, please, just leave the city and take Clementine with you back to Murrieta. I've got to get back to the hospital. Please let me know that you're safe.
Message 3,
Ah ouais.
left at 6:51 a.m.
Clementine, baby. If you can hear this, call the police. That's 911. We love you. We love you. We love you.
Oh non, c'est horrible. Ils sont peut-être morts.
Daddy?
Oh. Oh. Ça vient d'où? Il y a quelqu'un qui a dit Daddy. Dans le talkie. Vas-y, réponds. Allô?
Hello?
You need to be quiet.
Ouais. Qui est-ce?
Who is this?
I'm Clementine.
Ah bah,
This is my house.
Hi, Clementine. I'm Lee.
on s'appelle Lee.
You're not my daddy.
Tu n'es pas mon papa.
No, I'm not.
Ok, c'est chaud. Où es-tu? Où es-tu? Dans la baraque. Quel âge as-tu?
How old are you?
8.
And you're all alone?
Yes. I don't know where anybody is. How old are you?
I'm, 37.
Okay.
37 ans. Où sont tes parents? Mais ils sont à Atlanta.
Where are your
Vas-y, c'est pas grave.
parents?
They took a trip and left me with Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think. Where the boats are?
Ok. Tu es en sécurité? Où es-tu? T'es en
Are
sécurité?
you safe?
I'm outside in my treehouse. They can't get in.
That's smart.
Pas mal.
See? Can you see me? I can see you through the window.
Pas mal. Wesh, wesh.
Are you dead too?
Mais j'appuie sur A? Ah non, peut-être qu'il... Merde. Ok, d'accord. Ah non, d'accord, c'est tout de côté. Ok. j'ai réussi. Le coup du lapin paralysé. En fait, c'était les trucs de côté, my bad, désolé. C'est chaud. De côté. Voilà. Bah, je pense que ça suffit quand même. Ouais, voilà. Pas besoin de d'en rajouter.
Man. Hi there.
Elle a 8 ans, elle vient de me voir massacrer.
Did you kill it?
Quelque chose d'autre l'a
I think
fait.
something else did. Before me, I think.
Moi,
I
c'est ça,
heard her
là.
scream 2 nights ago. Maybe one of the monsters got her.
2 nights ago? Yeah, that's probably what
Il y a
happened.
2 nuits.
You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
Mais elles reviendront
I
pas.
think that might be a little while, you know?
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
On a un grand cœur finalement.
what should we do now?
Eh bien... On cherche de l'aide avant
We
la nuit.
need to find help before it gets dark.
Yeah, it's not safe at night.
Bah ouais. Dans une apocalypse zombie, la nuit on bouge pas.
Let's go. Stay close to me.
Eh bien, let's go. Ok, Clementine. Je la suis. Oh, il y a des gens. Est-ce que c'est des zombies ou... Ça a pas l'air d'être des zombies, hein.
Oh, man. I ain't never getting home to Mama at this rate.
This sucks.
Oh, it's hot dish night.
Non, ça a l'air d'être des gens normaux, hein.
What's the matter?
Should I stay?
What?
I don't want to sleep in the treehouse tonight, but I don't know if I should leave. What if my parents come home?
Si elles ne feront pas ça, allez, je ne sais pas. Bon,
I won't leave you
je
alone.
ne te laisserai pas seule.
Let's go somewhere safe that's close, okay?
That's a good idea.
Voilà. Faut savoir la rassurer. C'est une enfant, hein. Il y a peut-être un peu de mensonge parce qu'à mon avis, ses
Hey,
parents
man!
sont morts.
Holy shit!
Don't eat us! We're not gonna hurt you.
For a second, you and the little one were both gonna give us the chomp.
On cherche de l'aide.
We need help.
Are you trying to get out of here? Because you should be. Those things are all over the damn place. I haven't seen anything as gnarly as this neighborhood since downtown Atlanta, 15 miles back. I'm Sean. Sean Green.
Elle est à Atlanta.
Lee, this
Enfin,
is
Atlanta.
Clementine.
Je sais plus.
I'm Chet.
We shouldn't be out in the open like this. How about you help us clear the way, and we'll take you and your daughter out of here and down to my family's farm. It should be safer there.
I'm not her dad. I'm
Sa babysitter.
her babysitter. Her parents are out of town.
Let's
Sean
get
pense
going.
que vous êtes
Staying
babysitter
put for
maintenant.
too long is a mistake.
What do you want to do?
Bon, t'as pas le choix, tu dois
The
avec moi.
monster's coming. We gotta go.
Lee, quick, let's go.
Excuse-moi, Frollo, excuse-moi. Pousse. Regarde, je suis sur une jambe. Clémentine qui va pousser aussi.
As babysitters go, I'd say her parents owe you a tip.
Bon, on s'en est sorti, on a trouvé des gens bien. On a récupéré l'enfant. Il va nous arriver un truc sur la route? Non. Quand même, allons. Et du coup, qu'est-ce qui se passait si je disais que je préférais la nuit? On arrive dans une petite ferme, un petit ranch.
Hey, Sean, I'm gonna run on home. My mama's gonna be in a snit.
No sweat, man. I'll catch you tomorrow night.
It was nice to meet
Nous
you
avons
both.
rencontré tous les deux. Carré. Nous aussi. Il rentre à pied? C'est pas un peu dangereux.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be
Salut.
bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I wouldn't have made it back without Chet.
Well, I'm glad you took him with you then.
Ah.
You've brought a couple guests.
Ton fils est un héros.
Your boy's a lifesaver.
Glad he could be a help to somebody. So it's just you and your daughter then.
Oh, not his daughter. He's the babysitter.
Honey, do you know this man?
Yes.
Ok.
Okay
Ça va.
then.
Ça va, il nous a
Well,
couvert. On
Looks
peut
like you
compter
hit
sur
your leg
Clémentine.
pretty bad there.
Yeah, it's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take
Okay.
a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Pas très amical là quand même.
Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
Could
pourrait
be
être pire.
worse.
That's what it sounds like. Seems like things got awful bad in the cities. What did you
Bah,
say
avec
your
un des
name
bombards, quoi.
was?
Célie.
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green.
Herschel connaît votre nom.
How'd this happen?
Elle
Car
sait de voiture.
accident.
That's so. Where are you headed before the car accident?
En dehors
I was
d'Atlanta.
getting out of Atlanta.
The news says stay.
Yeah, well, that's a mistake. We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Au moins on
Who
dit un
you
peu de
with,
vrai, un peu de
good
faux.
girl?
J'ai pas regardé.
Ask you a question. You said we. That's all. Was just making conversation. House is full up with
Merde.
mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there when we're done.
Ah donc j'avais le choix de lui dire ou un officier de police
I didn't
ou,
catch your name, darling.
ou personne.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
Looking after her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad. So I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
C'est une
That
bonne idée
doesn't
mon
seem
grand.
necessary.
Si.
I don't know what you saw on TV or heard on the radio, but there's some serious shit hitting the fan. I don't think anyone knows how big it is yet.
Ton fils
Your
arrête.
son's right. You're gonna want to fortify this place.
Stuff like that doesn't happen around here, Sean.
Dad, I'm serious. Lee, come on. Tell him what you saw out there, man.
I got chased by a couple of dead people.
Ouais.
Well, do what you think you should. We got plenty of chores as it is.
Lee
Bon,
and
on
those
va
folks in the barn
renforcer
can
la
help
barrière.
out in the morning. We gotta do it. Really.
I already said okay. Well, I'm all done here. It should start to feel better tomorrow.
Thanks.
Ouais, t'as mis un bandage
If
quoi.
it gets hot or the swelling doesn't go down, you're probably dealing with an infection.
What do we do then?
We'll probably
coupe.
just have to shoot you.
Pardon.
We'll clean it, redress it, and you'll be fine.
Okay, that'd be preferable.
Ouais.
There's
ouais.
blankets and such in the barn. We'll be seeing you bright and early. Come tomorrow, which way you think you're headed?
Towards Macon, I suppose.
Ouais. Pas ouf hein. Il nous faut dormir dans la
Alright
grange.
then.
On est des animaux nous. Ça se fait pas. Ah, mais il y a des gens dans la grange.
It smells like...
Tu sais bien.
I know what it smells like.
Do
Pas de gros mots. Pas de gros mots, pas de gros mots.
I missed my mom and dad.
I bet, Clem.
How far is Savannah?
Pretty far.
Oh,
C'est pas
okay.
sympa. Fallait dire non, ça va. T'as une apocalypse zombie, en vrai, ça rabaille. Moi, je m'aimerais pas être dans une apocalypse zombie. Hein.
I love you, baby.
Bon, lui arrive un truc grave avec sa copine. Je sais pas encore quoi.
Hey, get up.
Qui es-tu?
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm, not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence.
Oh.
There's a tractor and everything.
Il y a plein de gens.
We better get going,
Il y a
or
plein
we
de gens
won't
ici.
hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Duck.
Dodging or quacking?
On esquive ou on percute?
Quacking.
On percute.
Dad!
Je pouvais quand même lui
See?
dire comment on appelle son enfant Duck. Ah,
The word is you were on your way to Macon.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who
Ah.
can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
on vous accompagne.
Sure, we'll tag along.
It's a plan, then. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the
C'est
better.
vrai, c'est vrai.
I
Mais
want
du
to
coup, moi,
build
je
a
vais pas
fence.
rester ici.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On the tractor? Cool!
Duck and I will hop to it.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
Allez, vas-y. Ok. Donc ça va être quoi, une phase un peu... on cherche? Est-ce qu'on peut peut-être
You
aller
have
voir notre
such
ami?
pretty hair.
It gets lots of tangles.
Parler à tout le monde.
Hey
On va parler
there,
à tout le monde.
Kenny.
Tu as besoin d'aide?
Need any help?
No, I think I got it. Do you need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
Pas d'enfant.
Nah, no kids.
Would've liked one then.
You know.
C'est quoi le plan?
So what's your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
You've got a boat.
Un bateau?
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and
Pas
paying.
bien, ça.
Katya wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
Vous avez entendu parler du bateau de Kenny. Comment va
How's
ton
your
fils?
son doing?
Good, I think. Katya's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy. I thought he was
Ah ouais.
kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. But we're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna phase us.
Vous avez montré de l'intérêt pour sa famille. Ah, bien sûr, Kenny, ça a l'air d'être un bon gars. On peut inspecter, tout ça. Là-bas, il y a les autres. On va aller voir là-bas.
Hey, Lee.
Tu as besoin d'aide?
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
Allez, vas-y. On va couper des planches. On est des bons gars.
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw
Son
a
père,
guy
je
in
l'aime pas.
Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
Est-ce que le garçon
Was
est
the
tellement
boy
vivant?
one of the walkers?
I don't even know. He was either attacking the guy or asking for help. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the
C'est violent.
movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Pas comme
Did you have to do it?
Je vais le
Do
faire.
what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh,
J'ai dû en tuer
I
un.
had to shoot one.
I could shoot one. Maybe. If it were far away. I'm just glad
Yeah,
we're getting
I'll
this
pass it up.
fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than
Mais de toute façon,
whatever's
Sean,
out there.
je m'en fous.
How about yours? How's your family?
My brother
Mes
and
parents,
parents are in
ouais. De
Macon.
toute façon, on va à Macon, donc c'est logique.
Oh man, I hope so too. Maybe it's not too bad there.
C'est dur parce qu'on doit parler de sa vie, mais on le connaît pas, lui. On sait
That's
pas
probably all I
il
need cut for now. Thanks.
Eh bien, nickel.
And Sean, thanks again for the ride.
No problem, Lee. Couldn't leave you behind. Anyway, when you see my dad
Sympa.
around, he might want some help in the barn.
Si mon père aura peut-être besoin d'aide dans la grange. Il va me planter dans la grange, oui. Bonjour. On va parler au vieux.
You should know that if you weren't leaving with Kenny today, I wouldn't stand for your lack of honesty last night.
Je t'aurais pas
I'm not
couvert.
sure I'd follow.
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. That's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
Mes parents sont en Macon.
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right.
C'est gentil.
But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire?
What are you getting at?
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Bien sûr.
Sure. I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
Oui, comme ça. Oh, putain. Il vient de dire qu'en gros, je dois pas mentir. C'est l'autre problème. Je vais mettre la barrière. Oh shit. Oh non. Oh non. Je sais pas. Non, le petit. Menu de droite. Back it up.
Please, help me, please!
Oh non.
Get the fuck out of here!
I'm sorry.
Sorry? Your son is alive. You don't get to be sorry. And you didn't even try to
Mais
help.
j'ai aidé le Cho.
I was worried about the boy.
Look at him.
But you weren't worried about that. Please, just go. Get out and never come back.
Bon, je m'inquiétais pour les deux, mais...
You've got that ride to Macon if you want it.
Ah ouais. En vrai, j'aurais sauvé les deux. Que le petit s'en serait sorti en vrai dans tous les cas. Parce que son père y arrivait. Ouais, moi j'ai Clementine, il y a Duck, voilà, c'est logique.
Well, this is as far as we're going.
And it's far enough.
Allez, Clementine. Ah, le fameux drugstore de la famille.
Look!
Hey there. You friendly? Truck's run out of gas.
Ah ouais, d'accord.
Fuck!
Ah ouais, d'accord. Casse-toi, putain de merde, casse-toi, casse-toi. Ils sont 6000. Oh putain.
Run!
We can't take risks like this. And we can't just let people die either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are. It could be dangerous.
C'est qui elle?
Worse, they could have let them right to us.
Where the hell is your humanity? They would have died out there.
Les enfants.
We have kids with us.
I see one little girl.
What
Je
is
suis
it?
là, je suis là, je suis là.
I have to pee.
I'd go out there again in a second.
I bet you would.
Minute.
In a minute, Clem.
They've got kids, Lily.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in
C'est
common.
qui elle?
God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Attends, c'est le boss.
Harley and Glenn just ran out there.
Elle n'a pas
I
peur.
don't give a flying fuck. We're in a war zone.
She's not wrong. They took a risk.
Yes, we did.
And we appreciate it. Now let's settle down.
Voilà, on calme le jeu.
Shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
Il n'a pas été
He
mordu.
wasn't bitten.
Hell, he wasn't. We have to end this now.
C'est qui Lily?
My dead body. We'll dig one hole.
No, I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite. He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it? We've already
Lui,
seen this
casse-le, lui.
happen. We let someone with a bite
C'était
stay in,
une
and
balle dans le
we
crâne.
all end up bitten. Shut up. We gotta throw him out, or smash his head in.
Kenny, stop him!
Hey, what do we do about this guy?
Dad, it's just a boy. It's...
Lily, I'll handle
But
this.
On lui
you're
botte son
hard,
cul.
Dad. You need to calm down.
We kick his ass.
That's what I'm thinking.
Ouais, voilà.
Everyone chill the fuck out! Nobody is doing anything.
Shut up, Lily. And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us, and they will get in here, and none of this will fucking matter.
Ferme ta
But
gueule,
right
toi.
now, we're about to be trapped in here with one of those things. What the hell are you talking about? He's bitten. That's how you turn.
He's not bitten. Lee, stop this. It's upsetting him.
Oh, I'm upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten alive.
Assieds-toi où tu verras.
Get it. It's a big deal.
Sit down. That's it.
You're gonna whoop me? You and what homo parade? This one. That's good. Little boy, before you eat your mommy, you can watch your dad get his nose broken. I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee,
Yeah?
there's someone in there.
It's just locked. Key's behind the counter. Probably.
Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just looking out for my daughter. No,
Ouais,
you're
ouais,
just
ouais.
the guy arguing for killing a kid. He's covered in muck. She'll find the bite. Watch. She won't. And if she
Non, il a-
Does? The first thing he'll do is
Putain de
sink
merde.
his teeth into his mom's face. Then, once she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little girl. She'll turn fast. Then, there'll be 3.
Fais avec.
And that boy is the ball game.
Then we deal with it then. But right now, we're just freaking everybody out.
Then get ready to deal with it
Voilà.
because that boy is
On est
bitten.
fidèle à Kenny.
It is. And we're tossing him out now.
Hop le
Knock
Kenny.
this guy out.
Happily.
Jesus!
Oh putain. Oh. Non, relève-toi, 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 relève-toi. Allez, 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 allez. Putain, j'arrive pas. Ah, c'était fait exprès. C'était fait exprès. Bien vu, Maros.
You okay?
Ça va.
Just great, thanks.
Ça va.
Guys?
C'est celui-là que vous l'avez protégé. Mais bien sûr. Bien sûr. Nous, on se fait nos alliés. Kenny, Clémentine, on la protège. Lui, ça a l'air d'être un bon, là. Le chinois aussi. Et c'est là avec le gun. Je connais pas leur nom.
We almost died because of this bitch and her itchy trigger finger. That was stupid. That was.
Dad!
On meurt un peu. On la meurt. Ça se trouve, c'est lui qui a été mordu là. C'est quoi son problème?
What's wrong with it?
It's his heart.
My pills.
Nitroglycerin pills? Yes, we're out. We've been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
Le comptoir où les médicaments se trouvent.
There's probably another entrance. Maybe through the office.
How do you know that's an office?
Educated guess.
It doesn't matter. We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there.
Ouais,
I'll
ouais,
keep
ouais,
an eye
ouais.
on my dad.
Moi, j'ai
Everyone
pas
else
envie
should
d'aider.
get comfy and look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore isn't a permanent solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
And I'll head out
Ouais.
and get gas. There's a motel not too far from here, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it and then loop back, siphoning what I can.
You're insane.
Well, it's gotta get done. Plus, I'm quick, and I know Macon.
Local?
Born and raised.
If you're gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie if you get in a tight spot. Hopefully, you won't need it.
Cool.
Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you, what's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's Larry.
Keep a good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly. You'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest. You're a good shot, and I'd like to keep it that way.
C'est vrai, elle est très
You
forte.
got it, boss.
Now get him those pills.
Mais avec à se calmer, hein. Trou de balle.
Where's her mom?
Et sa mère.
Savannah, I think.
Oh, you guys aren't together.
Non.
Oh, no, I'm not her dad. I found her in a house when getting out of Atlanta. She'd been surviving by herself.
Il a pas dit que j'étais sa
I think
babysitter.
the girl's parents didn't make it.
Oh.
I heard an answering message. They were in Savannah. She was home with a sitter. It wasn't good.
Well, she's lucky to have you.
C'est vrai. On parle à Clementine. Coucou,
Hey
ma belle.
there.
Hi.
Any word from Glenn?
Nothing. Is he okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Ouais.
You're doing a good job.
C'est nickel. Peut t'apporter
Can
quelque chose?
get you anything?
I'm okay. Maybe I'm a little hungry.
I'll see about that.
Bah, mais j'ai un truc à lui donner.
It's not much, but here you go.
Thank you.
Of course.
Vous avez pris soin de Clémentine. Bien sûr. Bien sûr. Et
You're a pretty good shot.
Well, you don't fuck with a reporter, especially one that's 3 days out from her last cup of coffee.
quel est reporter? Tu te débrouilles bien?
You seem to handle yourself pretty well.
Really? I'm a disaster.
I can't tell.
Dis pas ça,
My
ma grande.
news editor was eaten about 5 feet away from me, and I would have joined her if it wasn't for that dorky guy on watch over there.
I'm sorry.
She was an asshole, but, you know.
Yeah.
Tu t'as sauvé?
That guy saved you?
Yeah, can you believe it? Those creeps, or ghouls, or whatever the hell they are. They were pulling our van apart, and that guy, Doug, just came to the rescue.
You can never tell who the heroic ones are gonna be, I suppose.
Donc c'est un bon
He's
gars.
kind of cute. In that parents' basement sort of way.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, nothing.
Moi, je suis arrivé là.
How'd you end up here?
We drove up to cover the Cherry Blossom Festival. Real hard-hitting stuff.
Sounds worth it.
Sur quoi
What are you
travailles-tu?
messing around with there?
A radio. I can't get it to work, though.
Here, let me have a look.
Ah
There are
oui.
no batteries in this thing.
What now?
You know that there are no batteries in that thing.
Yeah, of course. I mean, yeah. No.
I can try to find some.
Elle ne savait
Needs
pas.
two.
Thanks. I wouldn't even really know what to look for.
Ah, on peut
Hey,
pas le
Lee.
trois.
Maybe punching him wasn't such a good idea.
There were worse plans.
Says the guy who didn't get punched in the mouth. Anyway, we, Kat and I, appreciate your support.
Thank you, Lee.
Merci à vous. Comment va Duck?
How's Duck doing?
He's okay. It was just a shock.
We're lucky as hell nobody got nabbed on the way in here.
No kidding.
How's she doing?
Elle va bien.
She's good, I think.
She's a tough one right there.
She's just a little girl, Ken.
Were you saying, Lee, she spent days surviving on her own?
That's right.
Not just any little girl can do that.
What's the plan?
Hang tight, I suppose. Seems pretty dangerous out there, so we ought to wait for things to clear up.
You said your family was from here in Macon?
That's right.
Where are they? Should we go looking for them?
Cet endroit leur appartenait.
They, own this place. They're, gone.
Oh, sweetie.
Cat.
They were good people. I wasn't around much, but yeah, they're dead.
Ah ouais. Vous
Are
allez
you
bien?
guys all right?
We're just fine, considering.
How about you, Duck?
We've all been through a lot.
Ah ouais.
Lee, you got a second?
Bien sûr. Qu'est-ce que tu veux me dire?
Back on Herschel's farm.
Yeah.
We didn't even try to save him. That blood is on our hands, you know?
Ça arrive assez vite.
It happened pretty fast.
I guess. But I can't stop seeing him in my head.
We can't kill ourselves over
We killed that boy. We could have saved him together.
We did what we could. Bad things happen. We didn't make a choice that killed Sean. You think you do when you look back on it, but in a moment, when things are really out of control, you don't have any choice.
I guess.
Ah ouais, mon grand. Consolé.
Try to let it go.
Kenny se souviendra de votre loyauté. On est fort loyal envers Kenny. J'espère qu'il va pas nous la mettre à l'envers. Lui me la met à l'envers une fois. Je prends un gun et je tire sur son fils. On va peut-être commencer à faire des choses. Live inside, yes. Ouf. Ah, c'est pour ça qu'il savait que c'était un bureau. Je suis bête. Mais c'était à lui. Oh, on a Clementine. Elle vient avec nous.
I can't think about them in here.
Ils sont tous dessus. Ouais, nous on est là, on est à gauche. Ils sont peut-être pas morts.
Find anything?
Just a picture of whoever was here.
I know who you are. You're Lee Everett. You're a professor at Athens who killed a state senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' school. Folks around town know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta.
Ah, okay.
I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly, that's a skill that might come in handy.
Elle dit ça devant Clementine, putain.
Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
C'est l'apocalypse.
The world is ending out there. Who cares who I am?
If you don't think people will find any reason to turn on you, especially when the shit hits the fan, you're insane.
Whatever.
You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is drama out there.
Ouais, je suis
You've
d'accord.
got this little girl to take care of, and look, don't make me wrong on this.
I don't plan to.
Good, because if this lasts longer than a few days, and you're a detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
Elle me fait des menaces?
I'll
C'est
just
des
keep it to
menaces?
myself.
Merci.
Thanks.
Don't worry about it.
Carlet se souviendra que vous lui avez fait confiance, pardon. J'ai bégayé. Nickel. On dégage ça. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Je vais checker ça dans le temps.
What's that?
This was my dad's cane. He'd zip around here on it from time to time.
Was he sick?
Nah, he was okay. I actually saw him whoop shoplifters with it. This cane's protected this place better than any guard dog ever could. Plus, he knew how to make it look cool. Like you with your hat.
My dad gave it to me.
See, dads are smart like that.
C'est mignon. C'est mignon quand même. Au final, c'est un peu ma fille. Voilà.
Why don't you want to talk about your family? Do they, like, hate you?
J'espère que non.
I hope not. It's just complicated, that's all.
Why?
It just is.
But you love them, right?
Yeah, of course.
Ouais, en mode ses paroles, il lui
But
aurait
my
donné
family's
dos.
gone and I just wish things would have been different.
Yeah.
Oh. J'ai eu
I
des
got
ennuis
into
quelque
some
part.
trouble and I didn't talk to him for a while. This used to be their store. But let's just keep that between you and me, okay?
Okay. Because of the trouble?
Yeah, that's right. Now, let's get this done.
J'espère qu'elle se dit en mode je lui fais confiance. Allez, au bout.
It's locked. We need to track down the keys if we're gonna help Larry.
Lee?
Yeah?
What if my parents come home and I'm not there?
Ils nous retrouveront. Je pense pas qu'ils le feront. Ils nous
They'll
retrouveront.
track us down. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay. We should keep a lookout. I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Stay close to me until then, okay?
Ils sont morts.
Wanna head back into the drugstore with me?
Okay. Lee,
Yeah?
you're not bad, right?
Non.
Why are you asking me that?
That lady said you killed someone. Was that because he was one of the things trying to eat you?
Yeah, he was.
And you had to protect yourself?
Bah oui.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
Ah putain, j'ai un peu menti, mais en même temps, vas-y, dire que j'ai buté quelqu'un, c'est un peu...
Hey there. This is Glenn, and I'm kinda in a jam here. Little girl, if you're there, can you put your daddy on the phone? Or on the talkie or whatever?
This is Lee. What's up?
So, I'm down at that motor inn, and, well, I'm stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah, I saw a chance to get some supplies for the group, and a bunch of the Roman ones got the jump on me. I'm hiding over here, but they won't leave.
What's up?
Glenn's trapped down at the motor inn. Hey, Glenn. We're gonna talk it over and send a group to come get you, all right?
Awesome. I'll sit tight till then.
Sounds good. I'm gonna hold on to this until we get Glenn back, okay? I'll take good care of it.
What do you think?
I think Doug's not great around zombies. You got your family here. I'll take Carly and her dead eye down to the motor inn, get Glenn,
Carly la
and back here
dégaine.
as fast as I can.
If that's what you want to do.
Somebody's got to.
Yeah, I'm in.
Good. Doesn't sound too bad there right now.
Let me know as soon as you want to head out. I could use a jog.
Bah maintenant. Maintenant, l'autre, il a besoin. Des piles. Ah, peut-être qu'il lui faut... Peut-être qu'il y a des piles ailleurs. Faire marcher la radio. Comme ça, Carly, elle nous kiffe peut-être un peu plus. Pile, bah voilà. Voilà. Ça régale.
It's not much, but here. For the boy.
Oh, thanks, Lee. He appreciates it.
That's sweet, Lee.
On le régale, hein. On le régale, Deck là. Ah, on peut prendre sur des 3. Ah, vas-y, on va aller le donner au vieux. Voilà, allez, tiens.
It's not much, but here.
You sure?
Yeah. You're under quite a bit of stress.
Thanks. That's, really sweet.
Don't mention it.
Mais je t'emmerde en fait. C'est dingue, hein.
This battery should fit the radio.
Great, thanks.
And here's another one.
Should be able to get it to work now.
Bah oui.
It's still not working?
Yeah, I can't figure it out.
Let me have a look at that thing.
Go ahead.
Alors, qu'est-ce qui va pas? Ah, il en faut 4. Non, c'est bon. Elle c'était pas dans le bon sens.
You fixed it.
Bah oui, ma grande.
How we doing? Good. Want to go have a look around outside?
Vas-y, chaud. Je t'en
Let's have a look around.
Okay.
Vas-y, Doug. Mon frérot Doug.
Jesus.
Oh shit. Il y a du peuple, hein.
They just
eat. As far as I can tell, that's all they care about.
And if one gets
C'est vrai que c'est bizarre,
They
hein.
eat you. And whatever's left comes back as one of them.
Ouais, je deviens un bébé. Ah, c'est vrai. C'est
I think it
dégueulasse.
might be more than a couple days before all this gets sorted out.
Yeah, I think so too. We better keep it down out of here.
Ok, ok.
I can't reach that brick.
I can't reach that break. Doug, mort-vivant coincé.
Look at the one trapped over there.
Better him than us, huh?
Oh, c'est son frère.
Oh shit.
What? Do you know that guy?
Ouais, comme...
Kind of. He has a familiar face.
You're from around here, huh?
Ouais.
Could be anybody, you know. And they start rotting and get all chewed up. And...
C'est son frère.
Look at the uniform, though. He could have worked at the drugstore and died with keys in his pocket.
It would take a lot of effort to make it safe enough to go out there and see if he has the keys. If we could somehow prove that he worked here, I think it'd be worth it.
I'll see what I can find.
J'ai une photo.
That guy over there has the keys.
How can you be sure?
I found this in the office.
Voilà.
That boy in the photo worked here. The keys being on him is as good a bet as we can make.
Yeah, I agree. Just need to figure out how to get out there and get them.
Eh ben, on y
Wouldn't
va.
need long, right?
Nah, just a few seconds.
Maybe there's a way to distract them and buy you some time.
Too bad we don't have a way to come out here and watch the news.
Would be nice to know what's going on elsewhere.
Atlanta's in rough shape, and that's all I know. Doc, you want to get this door open?
About that.
You've got the combo, right?
No.
Did anyone ever have it?
Look, man, there were a lot of those things trying to get in here.
And now we can't get back out onto the street.
Ah merde.
We're also party to some egregious fire code violations.
How'd you end up here?
I moved here to live with my uncle. He does tech stuff and it just made sense.
So you're local. You probably knew the owners of this place.
No, not really. I've only been here a couple months and I spend a lot of time.
On the computer?
No, just doing my own thing. What about you?
I grew up here. Been trying to get home since the day I came back.
Oh, so you probably knew the owners then?
Oui.
Yeah, I did. Good people.
C'était ma famille.
Let's head back
Il y a pas, faut
inside.
rentrer.
Okay.
Il y a pas, faut rentrer. Prêt à partir?
You ready to head out?
You got it. You?
Ouais.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Mais comment on fait? On se retrouve au motel alors qu'on pouvait pas sortir devant.
Get down.
Oh putain. Là on va l'aider. On se retrouve direct dans la sauce. En fait il faut peut-être qu'on récupère l'autre. Je me suis dit ça pour... parce que c'est l'autre qui a mis le cadenas.
Did you see that?
Sure did. Be ready to shoot.
Guys!
Oh putain.
Man, I'm glad you're here.
Jesus, Glenn.
Bon, on l'a récupéré.
That wasn't so hard.
Can we get out of here before any of these things notice us?
Not yet. There's a survivor trapped up there.
No way. We gotta go now.
Listen, I was out here looking for gas, and then up there in the corner room, I heard crying coming from inside.
Who is it?
It's a girl. We talked and she got frightened. I was trying to get in and help her, and she started yelling and saying I was bitten. I tried to convince her I wasn't, and that's when all these guys came out of the forest. A couple almost got me, and I ended up hiding in the ice machine.
Lucky you. Now let's go.
We can't just leave her.
Damn right we can.
You guys are
Mais qu'est-ce qu'on s'en fout,
over a
putain.
girl.
I'm saving her, with or without you.
Think about if it was you.
Je l'aurais laissé crever là.
Fine. Let's go save Glenn's damsel in distress.
La demoiselle en détresse. Mais avant on s'en fout. On aurait dû la laisser crever. C'est dit la vérité. Hein. Il y a une hache là-bas. Ok.
Okay, this is the plan. We don't know how hard it's gonna be to get her out of that room.
Putain. C'est la sauce encore.
So we have to kill every one of them in here. Quietly. Noise attracts these things.
Ok.
Let's have a look around. There's a pillow over there.
That's about as far as I got when it came to supply gathering.
I might have an idea for it.
Prends-le. Je sais pas quoi ça va servir, mais prends-le.
Good luck smothering them to death.
That's not really what I have in mind.
On y va. On fonce de l'autre côté. On en a deux. Fais gaffe, il y a ce petit fils de pute là. Oui, peut-être l'oreille.
Get out your gun.
But the noise.
Just follow my lead. Stay right behind me.
Ok, ça va à l'oreille.
That was sick.
Ok. Une bougie. On prend ce qu'on trouve. Je sais pas à quoi ça. Changement de vitesse.
It's spark.
Spark plug.
Garde
You
bien
should
bien.
hold on to that. Could come in handy.
Voilà. Et on peut la pousser. On la pousse.
It was awesome.
Donc elle pleure toujours.
Alright, let's see those ninja rocks.
Ninja what?
You picked up that spark plug to shatter that window, right?
What the hell are you talking about?
Ah.
Let me see the spark plug. Porcelain inside these things turns car windows to tissue paper.
Vas-y. Ça a marché. On verra ton tournevis.
That could scramble a brain pretty good.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Mais maintenant, je fais quoi? C'est ça, je crois. Ça dégage. Lui, je refais pareil. Oh. Dégage. Pas mal. Pas mal. Je m'en suis bien sorti, non? ça a le droit d'être clair.
Dude, where'd your weapon go?
Into that ice mix-sized hole.
Holy shit. It's cool. Now we got
Relâche.
this.
Are you two done?
Bon, c'est vrai qu'on s'égare un peu là. Relâche.
2 more.
That should help.
Allez, go.
Rad.
Ok, on y est.
Hello in there. We're here to help.
Please just go away.
Let's go, guys.
In a minute. If you open up, we can take you somewhere safer. We've got a group in town.
No.
She's in trouble.
Miss, we're coming in.
Vas-y. Shoot.
Stop! Just stop!
Je sors.
Coming out.
Vas-y. Bonjour madame.
You're hurt.
Oh God.
I said stay away.
We need to get you help.
It's too late for that.
Guys.
Oh non, elle s'est fait
she's been
mordre.
bitten.
What?
I told you, I said go away. I'm bit. But you wouldn't just leave.
Let's calm down.
Aïe aïe
You
aïe.
could be fine.
I won't be fine. My boyfriend was bitten. You get sick and you die and you come back and you kill anything you can find.
You have a boyfriend?
Glenn.
I don't want that. It's not Christian. Please, just leave me. Please go.
Ok. Ok, on s'en va.
Okay, we'll leave. Just try to take care of yourself for whatever time you have left.
You have a gun.
So,
Can
Je
I
pense même pas.
borrow it?
what do you mean borrow?
Give it to me. I can just, end this, and then there's no problem.
Whoa.
Please, I don't want to be one of them.
Ouais.
They're satanic.
Non.
We can't let you do that to yourself.
Then do it for me.
We need to get going.
Non.
Give it to me, please.
This is crazy.
La musique elle s'est intensifiée.
Step back.
It's just 2 seconds, just one bullet,
Un coup de hache. Hein.
and I can be with my family, and it'll all be fine.
Miss.
Back up, please.
Mais pourquoi on s'occupe des fils de pute?
Whoa, take it easy. We just want to help.
You can't.
Miss, just relax now. You need to think this through. We'll find you a doctor. It'll be okay. Let's all just... No!
Ok. Tout ça là, tout ça pour qu'elle se mette une balle dans la tête. Et là tu vomis. Ah, c'est bien
Let's get out of
l'ambiance.
here.
Ouais, on se casse. On a perdu du temps avec ces conneries. Et après, faut qu'on se retrouve.
Here they come! Get in!
Une balle là. Chapitre
Everyone
5.
all right? Yeah, we had some close calls, but Glenn is fine and, well, yeah, we're okay.
I've got a few cans of gas for your pickup in the trunk of my
Okay.
car.
Good to hear it.
And things back here?
Quiet. Our friend
Nickel.
is still in and out over there. He won't survive any more
On a une
stress.
hache.
The next order of business is getting those pills out of the pharmacy.
Vas-y.
It's the remote to my dad's TV.
Ah, mon nez. Attends.
That's what I figured.
Peut-être qu'avec ça, toujours chercher America.
Think you can do anything with this?
You know what I could do?
What's that?
It's universal. I could program it to work with those TVs across the street. Just hope the power's still on.
You can just do that?
Well, I memorized all the codes when I was in AV. Let's try.
Je savais que lui il était doué là. Ok.
Well fucking done, Doug. All that dork nonsense might save a life.
Who's to say it already hasn't? That got a few of them to take notice.
Ouais, quelques-uns, mais pas tous.
But not enough.
Du coup, faut que je prenne la pierre qui est devant là. Il faut que je pète le cadenas comme une brute. Voilà.
Awesome. Now to distract those things.
Prends la bière. Je la jette sur les télés. Voilà, toutes les télés font du bruit, tous les zombies vont être attirés, moi je peux y aller. C'est vrai que sinon il n'y avait plus aucun intérêt à aller voir le cordeur. Si je pouvais le péter avec la hache du bureau. Et bah vas-y go.
Be careful. Keep an eye out, will you?
T'inquiète, je gère la situation mon bug. Salut mon frère.
Hey, bud. I don't know what happened to Mom and Dad, but I know if you were there, you would have died for them.
Putain.
Yeah. I'm gonna assume that's what happened.
Did you find them yet?
Give me a second.
On a pas dû partir.
I shouldn't have left the family. I mean, you know what I mean.
Ah, c'est horrible. J'ai été obligé de faire son affaire, putain. Putain, c'est noir quand même. Hein. C'est dégueulasse, c'est dark. Allez, les clés, s'il te plaît. Les clés, on arrête tout ça. Le frère de lui. Salut mon pote, chapitre 6 de l'épisode incomplété.
There we go.
On a les clés.
Holy crap! Run!
Oh non. Pourquoi les télés ça attire plus? Putain.
Man, that was close. But we did it. It's all that matters.
Ouais, bah c'est pas ouf, quand même.
I've got the keys.
Great. God, you're amazing.
Ouais, je sais.
Let's get in there.
Allez, un coup de clé. Un coup de clé.
Oh no. Shit. We gotta hurry.
Yes. Bien évidemment, il y avait une alarme. Ça va rameuter le quartier entier. Oh putain.
Doc, come on, baby, time to go.
I'm gonna get the truck pulled up round back!
Do it fast. I gotta get my dad out of here.
I don't plan on dilly-dallying. Honey, take Duck into the office and barricade the living hell out of the door behind me. Glenn, when you hear me honking in the alley, start getting people out of here. You got it. Doug, Carly, and Lee, you guys make sure our defenses stay up till then.
T'inquiète.
Lee, I better take that axe in case I run into any of them on the way to my truck.
Here you go.
Alright, that door's not locked anymore. Shit! You three, get on it! I'll get back as fast as I can!
Stay away from the windows.
Lee, if we don't make it through this, you should know that I think you're a great guy.
On s'en sortira.
We'll make it through this!
Doug, if we don't make it through this, you should know.
I should know what?
Huh?
You said I should know.
Are you sure?
Shit!
Oh, shit! Okay, then. Clementine, can you look for something to stick in between the handles? Something real strong, okay?
Okay.
Clementine, did you find anything?
Nothing.
That window is through.
Go!
Putain de merde. T'as pas tout seul là? Allez, 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 allez.
I found something.
Pas mal, pas mal, pas mal. Oh non. Non. Carly. Désolé.
God.
Let's go!
I got Doug.
Oh putain.
They...
You found more! Son of a bitch!
Oh. Mais non.
I'm not letting somebody else get eaten today.
Putain Kenny.
Especially a good friend.
Merci mon frère. Oh le fils de pute.
Meanwhile, inland, Atlanta has been downgraded temporarily to an 8, with attacks and rioting being reported in all precincts. Citizens are currently advised to stay in their homes or move
Putain c'est violent quand même.
Charlotte, Atlanta, and Orlando. If citizens choose to stay in their homes, they are urged to be near their radios and await further instructions. Moving to the cities of Charlotte,
L'autre je lui ai trouvé ses médocs, il m'a mis un coup de poing, il m'a dégagé.
Meanwhile, inland, Atlanta has been downgraded temporarily to an 8, with attacks and rioting being reported in all precincts. Citizens are currently advised to stay in their homes or move towards the cities of Charlotte,
Ah c'est dur.
Atlanta, and Orlando.
Hey, Glenn.
Il y a le camp.
Uncountable severe emergencies in all counties. Georgia's cities and their current level of disaster are as follows. Atlanta, stage 9 catastrophe. Augusta, stage
I think I need to go.
Au Père Glenn?
To Atlanta?
Yeah, I got friends there. And I just can't stay here knowing that they could be trapped in that city.
Sounds like nobody knows what's happening there. When we left a few days ago, could have gone either way.
I gotta take my chances.
Putain Glenn. T'en parles même pas.
Find your friend. Be safe.
Thanks, Lee. That means a lot. I don't mean to abandon you all, but this seems like an okay setup. And I'm sure things will be back to normal around here in no time.
Let's hope.
You guys be safe.
We'll try.
Putain, bah ouais. Glenn, c'est un bon gars. On aurait pu le garder si on avait dit que c'était pas le bon choix? Je pense pas en vrai. Je pense que dans tous les cas il s'en va.
Close call back there.
Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. We have to take care of each other.
Yeah.
S'il lui l'était pas là, j'étais mort.
About Clementine.
Yeah?
Earlier I said there's some stuff out there that might screw up a precious little girl like her.
You did?
Well, I still think that's true. But after what I saw today, I think between you taking care of her and her taking care of herself, you two are gonna be just fine.
Thanks,
Gentil.
You got it.
How you doing, Carly?
I'm okay. You know, considering.
I do, yeah.
I can't stop thinking about Doug. We couldn't have saved him, could we?
I don't think so. It happened pretty fast.
I know it's stupid. We just met. And he was such a... It's just that... I think that I liked him.
Non, c'est triste.
Well, I'm sure he liked you too.
You better have. Anyway, I'd rather be alone, I think.
I understand.
C'est triste.
Wait, Lee?
Yes.
What is it?
How did you choose? We both needed you. You picked me.
T'es une bonne tireuse.
I thought you needed the help.
Ah, that makes sense.
But it wasn't a choice like that. It was just something I did. I don't know why.
I just wish we both could have made it, you know?
Me too, Carly. I'm sorry, there's not a lot of kids here.
No, it's not that. It's... I got grabbed again.
I was there, though.
I fell, and my walkie-talkie broke. Glenn had the other one.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks. I know I need to be tough. I'm just sad. I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's how I used to talk to my mom and dad. And now they're gone. It's gone.
Maybe we can find you another one.
I'll just keep this one, I guess.
Lee, come here for a second.
Ferme ta gueule, toi.
Let me go deal with this.
Oui, qu'est-ce qu'il me veut? Qu'est-ce qu'il me veut?
Another thing.
What do you want?
You like my daughter?
Her dad tried to kill me, so...
Well, he did that because he knows that Lee Everett is a convicted murderer. And so will everyone else if you go near her. You hear me?
Ouais. Ferme ta gueule, toi.
I know who you are. And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Qu'est-ce qu'il me veut, lui?
Hey, Lee, do you have a second?
Non.
My dad would be dead if it weren't for you.
Il a essayé de me tuer.
That guy Doug is dead because of me.
You can't be like that. You're only one man.
I don't know.
We're lucky to have you.
Ah bah ton père m'a tué. Enfin, ton père a voulu. Bon.
I hope that's the sound of us winning this thing.
Me too.
This motor inn's pretty damn defendable. We block off the entrances with some cars, keep someone on watch. We could stay here until the military rolls through.
I actually agree with that plan.
Me too.
We got beds, we got water, and most importantly, we got light. There are worse places to call home.
Yeah, you're right. You know, guys, I think it's going to be okay.
On rigole moins d'un coup. À suivre. Et ben c'est littéralement le à suivre. La prochaine fois sur The Walking Dead. Attendez, il y a une bande-annonce. C'est la bande-annonce, genre.
I thought we'd be fine if we survived the walkers. Never expected they'd starve us out.
I want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak.
You don't owe me anything, Carly. How you doing, Clementine?
I'm really hungry, Lee.
We gotta get food, Lee. Soon.
Howdy, I'm Andrew St. John. We're from the St. John Dairy.
It's beautiful.
I never did thank you for saving Duck from the walkers back at Herschel's farm.
Something's coming, Lee. There's gonna be a war.
The
Ah, c'est vraiment une bande annonce.
No more, please! No more, please! Please, please!
On dirait la suite d'une série, genre. Honnêteté, qui sauverais-tu? Ah, c'est des stats. Mentir à Herschel. Vouer 63% des joueurs a dit la vérité. Qui sauverais-tu? Duck ou Sean? Vouer 49% des joueurs a choisi Duck. Ah ouais? Les gens ils préfèrent sauver Sean. Se rallier à Kenny. Vouer 48% des joueurs a défendu Kenny. Putain, les gens ils défendent pas Kenny. C'est incroyable. Pistolet donné à Irene. Vouer 55% des joueurs a refusé le pistolet. Qui sauverais-tu? Doug ou Carley? Vouer 76% des joueurs a choisi Carley. Forcément, c'est logique. Et carrément j'ai un générique de fin en mode c'est fini. C'était incroyable. Et bah en vrai ce fut un plaisir. Hein. C'était vraiment bien, genre ça suit un peu comme une série. Niveau réaction et tout, voilà, je suis pas encore trop habitué, mais c'est, je sais pas, c'est vraiment prenant. Et là tu le suis un peu comme une série, il y a beaucoup de moments où c'est le jeu qui tourne et en fait on le regarde finalement jouer. Un peu comme les nouveaux jeux à la Man of Medan, The Quarry, etc. Peut-être qu'on les fera aussi, parce que j'aime vraiment ce style de jeu où en fait t'as l'impression de suivre un film. Mais bon, déjà on va se concentrer sur celui-là, sur The Walking Dead. J'ai toute la saison 1, donc les prochains épisodes devraient suivre rapidement si je suis assez assidu. Je pensais le faire en 1 heure, au final je suis quasiment à 2 heures de rec. Donc ça va être un peu plus long que ce que je pensais, mais tant mieux parce que c'est vraiment bien. Voilà, on se retrouve très bientôt pour l'épisode 2. Là on a un visage choqué, là on voit qu'on s'embrouille avec Kenny. Je ne sais pas encore pourquoi alors que je lui ai tout donné. Donc voilà, on se retrouve très bientôt pour la suite. Tchuss.